Hi guys and welcome. I want to share my own experience with the best service in the top audio editing software category. I've been using this platform since 2017 and it has never let me down. With its help, I earn about $15,000 per month. In this short video, I'll show you a few secrets that not many people know about, making this system one of the best in the top audio editing software category. Let's not waste any time and get started.
What is Descript? Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editor that makes editing as easy as a Word doc. Upload media or record directly in Descript to instantly transcribe your file into text, then tweak the text to directly edit your media clips. Edit out filler words and silent gaps with a single click. Record your screen and webcam for presentations and video messages and edit out mistakes before publishing. Export your project to other pro apps. Best 4. Made for content creators and businesses who are making podcasts, vlogs, videos, screen recordings, transcriptions, and social media assets. Pricing details. Descript offers a free basic account with screen recording, collaboration features, and 3 hours of transcription. Only editors pay. The 3 types of paid accounts include Creator, $12 per editor per month annually, or $15 per editor per month monthly. Pro, $24 per editor per month annually, or $30 per editor per month monthly. Enterprise, get in touch with us for custom pricing. Pros. Overall, I'm thrilled with what Descript has brought to my show. I'm even more excited to post new episodes now because I know each week the listeners are getting a better and better show. Overall, I love it and definitely want to learn how to use the other features, but I'm extremely happy with the use of the features that I do know how to use. Descript helped me go from a complete novice at audio editing to very proficient within just a few weeks' time. I find Descript to be a super useful tool and highly recommend it to others. It is also super helpful in identifying editing points. I also appreciate how easy it is to edit individual tracks within the larger audio project and easily drag and drop files. Cons. And they seem to always show up, even when they've been corrected previously, so it's unclear whether the machine is actually learning. Because it is cloud-based, I had nothing on my hard drive to try and salvage. It just stopped working. There is no way to edit 2 separate tracks in one audio, for example 2 people speaking with their own audios. Room tone generation seems to be selected as default. When using filler word removal, the cuts can sound quite harsh and require spaces before and after to sound natural. What is Live? Workflow management solution that allows artists to create, edit, and record audios through electronic music instruments. Best 4. Audio editing solution designed for musicians, composers, artists, instrumentalists, creators, designers, producers, and more to generate audio tracks with sound effects. Pricing details. Live offers a free trial for 90 days to new users, after which the software is available in 3 pricing tiers: Intro, Standard, and Suite. Pricing of the product starts from $99 per license and scales with each tier outlined below. Intro, $99 per license. Standard, $449 per license. Suite, $749 per license. Pros. Ableton is great and does everything you need and more. It has fantastic native instruments, synthesizers, wavetable instruments, compressors, and equalizers. Ableton has many features that make it an amazing option for live use as well as in normal DAW recording settings. Time stretchability is most essential, effective, and convenient in Ableton. Choosing of exploring MP3 or WAV files is a great advantage in Ableton 10. Cons. Also compared to other DAWs like Logic, Ableton seems to lack in their production tools. Its EQ, compressor, effects, etc. seem to lack compared to others. Limited to 16 audio tracks. If you want to use Ableton's full potential, prepare yourself to pay $650. I can't believe I was ever intimidated by it and thought Logic was really my only viable option. So far, I haven't had a lot of problems. The only thing I identified as a failure is that in the clip view, when I use the beats mode, there is no way to automate the transient envelope, 0 to 100. What is Remaster Media? Remaster Media is a web application tool service where users can upload your wonderful audio-video media content to optimize your audio for any platform for pennies rather than hundreds of dollars in a professional studio. You can access the service via the web, on your PC or mobile device browser. There's nothing to install, and the web browser version on your phone is very mobile friendly. The AW plugin available. Best for audiobook producers, educators, vloggers, musicians, advertisers, basically anyone creating content that wants to sound amazing on the internet. Pricing details: 50 cents per minute. Discounted rates available for packages and subscriptions. Pros: listen to any of the episodes. It sounds amazing. Better than Dolby Digital in the movie theater. Does exactly as it says it does. Improves the quality of any audio you have. Remaster Media gave me the opportunity and the audio improvement was amazing. Good cleanup for a range of audio profiles and usage. For me, cleaning up presentations on cassette tapes from the 80s has been a great success. Cons: I had previous issues with bulk upload. Somehow some of the uploaded files disappeared while processing, but after letting the customer service know about the bug, they fixed it quite quickly. When I started using the product, it was annoying when we had to re-upload files that we wanted to apply a second profile to. None initially did not support all audio formats, but with the updates now everything is possible. Looks are one thing, but the confusion and inefficient layout are quite frustrating. What is FL Studio? FL Studio is a complete software music production environment or digital audio workstation. Compose, arrange, record, edit, mix, and master professional quality music. Pricing details: FL Studio is available across 4 pricing tiers: Fruity Edition, Producer Edition, Signature Bundle, and All Plugins Edition. Pricing starts at $90 one time and scales with each tier outlined below. FL Studio Producer Edition, $199 one time. Audio recording, full playlist features, 7 additional native plugins. FL Studio Signature Bundle, $299 one time. Audio recording, full playlist features, 14 additional native plugins. Pros: my overall experience with FL Studio has been positive, and I would recommend it to anyone wanting to get into music production. It helped me in creating shows and mastering vocals. It is a good software that is useful in many ways and different works. FL Studio gives me a wide range of samples and tones to choose from, which enables me to produce solid and awesome beats easily and efficiently. I make instrumentals and record vocals for my customers utilizing this software programming, and I'm truly flabbergasted by the nature of the outcomes. It is great programming. Cons: at first it is hard to understand everything. You must go deep into YouTube tutorials to understand how it works properly. I can't say anything bad about FL Studio, but you figure out something new each time you launch the program. Using advanced features is a little more difficult and necessitates using instructional resources. If you want to create projects that require analog tools, I regret to inform you that this though isn't for you. What is Adobe Premiere Pro? Cloud-based video editing solution that allows businesses to create and edit videos, add effects or transitions, and export completed footage on a unified platform. It enables users to add captions in video clips, create animated slideshows, and streamline review approval processes. Pros: its transitions and ease of video editing are amazing. The best feature that Premiere Pro has to offer is the ability to nest objects and sequences. I've been using this editing software for almost 7 years, and all I could say is that it is a great software in which you can import or create fantastic animations, transitions, and titles. I love the software, and it is so much better than free versions that are out there. Cons: I've had various rendering problems where final rendering is aborted because of strange and unknown problems. It can be hard to get up to speed on how to use Adobe products in general, and this is also the case with Adobe Premiere Pro. When using effect that fades from 0 to 100, I always get black flicker problems in the vinyl video. If I use the transparency tool and keyframe it from 0 to 100, it works normal. I absolutely hate the user interface and user experience. This software looks and feels complicated, and I get a headache just looking at it.